Welcome dear student. So student, we have already started problem set 1 of lesson sets class 9 algebra. Alright. So and we have completed question number 1 and 2 of problem set 1. So now today we will solve question number 3 onwards from problem set 1. So let's start. Let's see first what is question number 3. So out of 100 persons in a group, 72 persons speak English and 43 persons speak French. And each one out of 100 persons speak at least one language. Then how many speak only English? How many speak only French? And how many of them speak English and French both? So let's understand the question. So student, out of 100% in a group, okay, 100, that means this is our we can say this is our union set. Okay, union set, it is 100. We know now that is A union of B. So this is a union set, value is given, and this will assume as set A of a person who speak English, and this we will assume set B, that means the persons who speak French. Okay, then after that we have to find out, first we have to find out how many speak only English, and second we will find out how set B, that is how number of element. Okay, number of element in set B, that is how many of the person speak only French. And next we will find out the intersection set. Okay, this is intersection set now, that is both is the person who speak English and French both. So this will be our intersection for set. So let's start solving one by one. So first we will write all the data which is given to us, right? So we will start from here. Question number 3. This is problem set 1, question number 3. All right, so student, first we will write all the data. So first we will assume the set, that means let we will take set A, thus it is the set of persons speaking English, and we will take set B, it is a set of person speaking French. All right, so number of element in set A is given as 72, and number of element in set B given as 43, and number of element of union set, that is A union B, it is given as 100. So student, if you have remember, we have one formula to put up all this value. So let's write here now. Number of element of A union B is equals to number of element in set A plus number of element in set B minus number of element in intersection set, that is A intersection of B. All right, now simply let's put all the values which are given to us. It is 100, number of element in set A 72 plus 43, and this will be as it is because we have to find out this. Now let's this intersection set will be come to left hand side, and all the values will be on right hand, number values will be on right hand side. Okay, now let's add it. 3 plus 2, it will be 5, and this will be 11 minus 100, so the value will be 15. So number of element in A intersection B set is equals to 15. All right, now let's start some find out what is that is asked in question first. So now we will find out the number of person who speak French and English both. So student, we have calculated the number of person who speak French and English both, that is intersection set na? So this will be both. So this value is 15. Now we will find out the number of person who speak only English. So we will write here also the number, this is number, student. So number of person who speak only English. So how we will calculate this? We will calculate it as number of element in set A minus number of element in intersection set. It is common set. Okay, so it will be 72 minus 15. So our answer will be 57. Okay, so the number of person who speak only English is 57. Now next we will calculate also the number of person who speak only French. So how we will calculate? We will minus number of element in set B minus number of element in our common set, that is intersection set. So the value of B is 53 minus 15 is equals to 28. So student, we have calculated all the values which are asked in the question. Okay. Now let's solve question number 4. Alright, student, let's see question number 4. So question number 4 is 70 trees were planted by Parth and 90 trees were planted by Pradnya on the occasion of tree plantation. So here Parth and Pradnya are there who planted planted 70 trees and Pradnya planted 90 trees on the occasion of tree plantation week. And out of these, 25 trees were planted by both of them together. That means this will be our set of intersection set, right? Both of them together, no? It means common. Okay. And how many trees were planted by Parth or Pradnya? So here we have to find out what intersection set is given. Okay. And we have to find out here union set, because common elements, not common element, all the elements which are present in the set of the set. So let's start calculating. Question number 4. Okay, so first we will write all the data. First of all, we will assume that let A is the set of trees planted by Parth, and our what will be our set B? B will be set of trees planted by Pradnya. Yes, Pradnya. Alright, so let's write all the values. Number of element in set A, that is 70, and element in set B, that is Pradnya, 90, and the total the trees which they have together is intersection set 25. Okay, and find out, student, union set, that is number A union element in A union B set. Okay, now let's write our common formula, that is number of element in A union B is equals to number of element in set A plus number of element in set B minus number of element in intersection set. So all the values are given. First is 70, then 90 minus 25. Now here 70 plus 90, it will be 160. Okay, so 160 minus 25. So answer, it will be 160 minus 25. So it will be 135. Oh. All right. So 135 trees were planted by Pradnya or Parth. Okay, so this is our final answer. So let's see question number 5. Okay, so question number 5 is, if number of element A, that is n of A, is equals to 20, n of B is equals to 28, and n of A union B is equals to 36, then n of A intersection B. This is so simple. Just now we have solved it, right? Question number 5. Let's so here n of A is 20, n of B 28, n of A union B 36, and we have to calculate n of A intersection B. This we have to calculate. Let's put up this common formula. A union B is equals to n of A plus n of b minus intersection set. All right. So n of a is 20 plus 28 minus this we have to find out. Okay. And this is 36 is given. So after solving all this, student, we will get first we will take intersection set on the left hand side. 20 plus 28 minus 36. So student, after subtraction and addition, we will get answer as 12. Okay, I hope you all have understood. Now let's do question number 6. Okay, student, let's see what is question number 6. So question number 6, in a class 8 student have 28 have only dog as their pet animal at home. 6 student have only cat as their pet animals, and 10 students have dog and cat both. That means this is our intersection set. All right, and this is our union set, and it is asked that then how many students do not have a dog or cat as their pet animal at home. So student, first of all, here 8 student out of this now, that means here number of element is not given in set A. We will calculate the number of element, and number of element also we will calculate the number of element in set B, because by adding the union set. So let's see how to solve this question. This question is so simple, but little bit correction is there in this question. So let's see how to solve it. So first we will draw the Venn diagram. Okay, so here I am drawing a Venn diagram by pencil. So this is our universal cell in a rectangular box. Okay, universal cell, and here this will be our set A, and this will be our set B. So in set A, 8 students are there. In set B, 6 students are there. And in the intersection set, it is 10 students are there. Okay, so here we will find out the number of element in set A and number of element in set B. Okay, this is total is not given. So let's see. Let the set of students, let the set of student of class is U, that is, this is universal cell. Total student in a class is number of element in universal set, that is 28. Okay, and next we will write the set of students having dog as their pet animal. It will be A. Okay, and intersection set is our A, intersection B is given, it is 10. Okay, and next we will assume the set of students having cat as their pet animal, it will be B. Okay, now we will find out number of element in set A. So number of element, it will be students having only dog as their pet animals, plus we will add here the intersection set. Okay, so n of A, it will be student having only dog as their pet animal is 8. All right, is 8 plus in the elements in intersection, it is 10. So total element will be 18. That means here number of element in A is 18. And similarly, we will find out the number of element in set B. So it will be 6. All right, it will be 6 plus intersection set, that is 10. So 6 plus 10, it will be 16. So we have number of element in set B is 16, and we have intersection set also. Now we will find by union set by the formula, that is A union B is equals to n of A plus n of B plus n of it will be minus intersection set. So for the values we know, that is 18 plus 16 minus 10. Okay, so total it will be 24. That means the value of A union B, we got 24. 4. Now what we have to ask, what we have to find out, that how many students do not have dog or cat as their pet animal. So what we will do, we will minus this set from the universal set. So let's write here, students do not having cat or dog as their pet animals. So it will be what, it will be n of u, that means our universal set minus n of a union b. So universal set we have value, that is 28, minus this a union b, we got 24. So total here we got 4 students. So 4 students are there who do not having cat or dog as their pet animal. So student, I hope you all have understood this question. Now question number 7, let's do question number 7. Student, in question number 7, represent the union of two sets by Venn diagram for each of the following. So here we have to draw the Venn diagram of given two sets. So first we will draw a rectangular box. Student, here I am making freehand, but you have to draw it with pencil and ruler. Okay, so set A is given 3, 4, 5, 7 and set B is given as 1, 4, 8. So student, if you will observe, the number 4 is the common element. So let's draw first set A. So set A intersection now, so we have to draw like this, represent, sorry, it is union of two set. So the 4 element common we will write in middle, and the first set A, it will be written as 4, 5, 7 and next it will be 1 and 8. 4 is a common in both of the set. Now question number student, question number 2 is simple as this, and let's go solve question number 3. I hope you all can solve question number 2. Okay, so let's do question number 3. So question number 3 is x set x is given that x is a set of all x such that x is a prime number. Now what are prime number? They have only 2 factor. Okay, the number which having only 2 factors. So here it is prime number between 80 and 100. And why we have the odd number between 90 and 100. So student, first we will write the given condition, that is question number 7 third. So set x is given, that is x is a prime number between 80 and 100. So student, between 80 and 100 there are only 3 prime number, that is 83, 89 and 97. And for condition number y, we have y is an odd number between 90 and 100. So between 90 and 100 we have the odd numbers are like 91, 93, 95, 97 and 99. So these are the odd number between these two numbers. Okay, now let's draw the Venn diagram of this. This will be our set x. So student, this is set B, x. This will be our set y. And if we will observe here, what is the common element? The common element is, it is 97. So we will write 97 in common. Here it will be 83, 89, 91, 93, 95, 97 and 99. So this is how it can be written. Now let's solve question number 8. So student, question number 8 is write the subset relationship between the following sets. So student, this also we have done in question number, in I think question number, practice set 1.3. Okay, so let's solve it. So x is equal to set of all quadrilateral. In set of all square, v is a set of all rectangle, y is a set of all rhombuses, and t is a set of all parallelograms. So student, if you know all the properties of this figures, then we can easily write down the subset relationship between this. So student, I hope you all know the characteristic or properties of this figures, geometrical figures. So I am writing here the relationship. Okay, so there are some of the common properties between these geometrical figure. Okay, so on the basis of that we can write the subset relationship between the two geometrical figures. So here S is a set of all square. Okay, so S will be the subset of X, and next we can write V. So V is a symbol for set of all rectangle. Okay, so V can be the set of X for quadrilateral. Okay, now next S, that means square, it will be subset of V. So V is our rectangle. Next subset relationship, it will be S subset of Y. Y is for rhombuses. All right, and next is S will be subset of T. T is for parallelogram. So student, these are the some of the relationship between, you can write more. Okay, now question number 9. Question number 9. So question number 9 is any set, this is set. Okay, then write M union empty set or phi, and M intersection phi. So let's write. So here M is our any set, and we have to write relationship like this. So first we will write M is any set, then it is asked that M union empty set, it will be what? It will be M only, na? And the next it is asked that, student, for this property you can refer the practice set. M intersection phi, it will be the empty set only. Okay, refer the practice properties which are given in the practice set, so you can all get and properly understand. Now question number 10 is given. So question number 10, again Venn diagram is given, and we have to write the, observe the Venn diagram and write the given set universe like U, A, B, A union B, and A intersection B. So let's write. So I'm writing here only. Okay, so first we will write the element in set A. So our okay, first I'm writing here A. So our set A, it will be 1 5 3 2 7. 1 2 3 5 7. Okay, so A is completed. Now let's write set B. So set B element will be this circle. So it is 1 5 8 9 10. Now we will write A union B. I am writing it here, A union B. So what will be the union set? It is the all element which are present in the set. So it is 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. It is this 4 13 11 also it will be included. 4 5 7 8, then 9 10 11 and 13. Okay, so this will be A union B, that means all the element in the rectangular box. And next it is asked at A intersection B. So our A intersection B means common element, right? So common element are 1 and 5. All right, and next is universal set. So in universal set also all the elements will be there. So student, here in union set only this 4 13 and 11 it will be not there. Okay, 4 13 and 11 it will be not there. Okay, but in universal set we have all the elements in the rectangular box, that is 1 2 3 5 7 10 9 8 4 11 and 13. So student, universal set all the elements in the rectangular box, union set all the elements of both the set, and intersection set common elements only. Okay, now next is number of element in set A, number of element in set B, and number of element in intersection is given. We have to find out this. So this is also a symbol. Let's write our common formula, that is A union B is equals to n of A plus, okay, so n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. So all the values are given, that is 7 13 and minus 7 13 and 4. So after calculating this we all get answer as 16. So number of A union B, it will be 16. And here we have completed our first with all the practice set and problem set. So I hope you all have understood the practice set and problem set from chapter 1. And when activity is given, student try to solve it by your own, because this is so. Okay. Next student, we will start section. Then thank you.